What's up? Thanksgiving's fast approaching, so today I'm going to show you how to make the world's best Thanksgiving turkey. The night before you cook it, rinse your turkey down and place it in a large plastic bag. Pour in a bottle of the finest French Bordeaux that you can find. If you have a larger turkey, put in 2 bottles. Wrap it up. Before you put it in the fridge, you'll want to turn the breast down. This way all the moisture will soak right into the driest part. Let that marinate overnight. This will be phase 1. This will be phase 2. And this will be phase 3. Cooking day. We're going to make a butter sauce. Go out to the garden and clip some fresh rosemary. We're using Irish spring butter. I definitely like to go very heavy on the oregano. Dill and butter go great together. You can also use fresh dill if you want it a little more turned. Rip that parsley and you chop that You chop it real good. You could chop them up real fine if you just want the flavor, or you could leave them whole if you want a little more texture. Squeeze in half a lemon, salt, pepper, blah bitty blah, and a dash of olive oil.
Rosemary.
I also like to add in some basil. Chances are the butter is going to be a little bit too thick to stir. If this is the case, melt some more butter up in the pan and pour some in. Don't pour in so much that the whole thing becomes a liquid. You want it just soft enough to stir. Apply the butter sauce to every part of the turkey you can. You can use your fingers to start loosening up the skin beforehand and put it right under. And you can move it around like so. A little on top, a little bit on all surfaces, and a little in the cavity. Time for the stuffing. Chop the tops off of a yellow, red, and green bell pepper. You can use the rest of your peppers for other parts of your Thanksgiving dinner. Chop them up with an onion. Spend the next minute or so chopping all that shit up. Also chop up some carrots, celery, and half an apple. Add your stuffing party extravaganza right into the cavity of the turkey. If you're into turkeys that sound like chickens, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. As well as another dash of olive oil. Thought we were done? We're not done. We're going to do some more spices. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme, sage, oregano, and basil. It's also important to put the spices in the wine sauce as well. If you want to, you could also drop some garlic cloves, carrots, mushrooms, onions, or bell pepper chunks right in the wine sauce. Get a spray bottle designed to spray cooking oil. Pour some olive oil in and spray on one final layer. A little bit of tin foil to make sure the moisture soaks right into the driest part. The oven literally broke. It doesn't work. What am I going to do with that? Even though both ovens were busted, at least I was able to restart the incinerator oven. Halfway through the cooking, spray on one more final layer of olive oil. If you haven't already, you can throw in some sage leaf and use the sauce, giblets, and everything inside the cavity to start making your gravy. But that's another video. I'm probably going to make a video updating this recipe in the future, because it's constantly evolving. It actually started out as a roasted chicken recipe my dad taught me back when I was just a little shit. Over the years I've added ingredients of my own, and recently I've gotten ideas from some of the best recipes I found online. If you like turkey and wine, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also be sure to check out my other videos that I make. I make other types of videos where you could learn stuff, or you could also like be entertained and see something entertaining. That's cool if you watch video.